Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everyone, looking at SPY daily weekly time frame. Nice follow through by the bulls after gaining that middle Bollinger Band of support yesterday. Higher low and higher high. We closed up near the high. Almost a little green Maribozu here, which would indicate that the bulls had control the entirety of the day, but that's pretty much how it went down. And we're now just looking at a couple resistances, 226.73, which we did break by a couple pennies, and the all-time high 227, keeping in mind that this is adjusting for the dividend distribution that recently occurred. So the bulls are in full control, and we're knocking on the door of the all-time high, a couple weeks of consolidation, normal and healthy, bulls showing back up, and we're really in full control by the bulls. That's no other way to put it, and we're likely to test this all-time high heading into tomorrow, or at least this week with 2 more trading days to go. So in terms of support, it's this middle Bollinger Band. Need to update it as we go each morning. It's going to be in the low 225s tomorrow. And aside from that, we have all hourly moving averages as support. So let's look at these shorter term time frames. The bulls stood out first thing this morning, and it was the volume. I can remember being live and saying, whoa, something's going on, because the volume, 3 million shares traded in the first 5 minutes. Let's look at the volume from yesterday in the first 5 minutes. 2.7, so it's similar, about a 10% increase, but it definitely, the price action and the way that SPY was jumping to the upside definitely stood out to me in terms of noticing something was up, and we saw a quick rejection. I had this line drawn here from weeks ago from 226.25 resistance. We rejected 1, 2, 3 times, and then the bulls finally got over it. It was very clear that they were in control for the entirety of today. Higher lows and higher highs, never really breaking that higher low pattern. And looking on the hourly time frame, riding exponential moving averages to the upside, and very strong up here. And the 20-period moving average, we held that yesterday, and that's currently catching up as well. That's going to be in the low $226 range as we head into tomorrow. So the bulls are in full control. We're knocking on the door of all-time highs. We'll see if we can push through. Definitely seeing some sector rotations out there. Seeing the biotech sector turn around the daily trend finally after attempt after attempt failed. We have the bulls in the biotech sector back. They were up over 4.5% today, and they closed very strong. So we're looking for some continuation. I'm going to be watching that biotech sector very closely in Q1 2017 at least. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. We'll see if we got these blue sky breakout coming here the next 2 trading days before the end of the week. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.